So first job on the list, as you might have heard, the exhaust is a little bit rattly. So I've taken the back box off, that was not even attached. I'm now going to try and get to the middle of the exhaust to disassemble the kind of back to mid pipe that moves on into the cat. It looks like a relatively new exhaust system. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to... All this pipe work here looks relatively new. But then you get back here and it all goes a bit tits up. And then if I... That's the noise I'm trying to get rid of, so I'm going to take the back part of this pipe off and then decide if I want to cut the cat and then weld a new pipe back in and stuff like that. But I've got to sort it out. I'm doing things and I've got a bar of battery left, of course. Okay. Hello and welcome back to another Washroom episode. This is a carry-on from the E36 delivery.
It feels like it feels like a carry-on film.
It is a carry-on.
It's literally a carry-on film.
It's literally a carry-on. So you literally just see me start tearing apart the exhaust. We discovered an issue, a slight issue with the rear suspension, where whoever previously owned it, whoever Taylor bought it off, forgot to put a part back on the suspension, basically like a giant washer to stop it going straight through the rubber mount. So that's what the other one did. So we're just going to negate that problem by sorting out this side. So I'm going to whip the wheel off, take out the rear damper, undo it, put the thing that I need to do back on, and then do it. And we've got about 15 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. Go! Richard, go!
Oh, I haven't done this right, have I? What an idiot. See, this is what happens, kids, when you don't watch the YouTube tutorial on how to. Like, if you don't watch a how-to on how to fit a new set of coilovers, you end up fitting them wrong, and they end up absolutely butt in themselves. Yeah? Oh, 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 oh. Beautiful.
Nice. Okay, let's go show them the issue.
Can you see the problem right here? Hang on. Am I in the way?
No, you're fine.
So, there is a massive spreader washer on the bottom of this original one that we've got, which is off of that one. And they haven't fitted it to this one, so basically the whole damper is reliant on the rubber from this new top mount.
Well, it's just completely ruined.
Yeah, but it's reliant on the rubber and the rubber alone, which, I mean, this one hasn't quite broken through yet. Yeah, but I'm less of an idiot.
So the other terrifying thing about the shocks that were on the back of the V12 conversion is that, I don't know if you can see that.
It's like a wasted stem.
Like, what on earth?
Just rust.
Just rusted.
It's just rusty.
Rusted, dusty, busty.
Just rusty.
Cool, that's off. So that's the bit.
That's off.
This is the bit that we need.
That's the bit that you need. One of them.
So we're going to clean it up.
Cool.
Let's put it straight back on. On she goes.
Oh, beautiful.
And then on you go. Oh wait. Oh yes. Yes.
On she goes.
And then on she goes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Boom.
Where is the nylock?
I've got the nylock.
You've got the nylock nut?
Yes.
Ah, Ricky Bobby.
And she goes.
There we go. Okay, I'm in.
Please hold.
I'm holding.
Hold.
Holding.
You in?
I am in.
Okay. So, also on the list of things to do, but we'll do it in the next video, is exhaust.
Ooh.
So we're going to make a nice little exhaust for it because at the minute the cat is foobarred. So we're going to have to bash that out, and then at some point when I get it re-MOT'd, I'll probably have to put one back in. But we'll cross that line when we come to it. But yeah, exhaust, and then we're going to tackle the interior. I'm not really showing you much of that because it is a tip. But when we do, we'll show you the before and afters. So Richard's just putting the last little wheel nut thing on, wheel bolt. Richard's putting the last wheel on. And then, oh, look at that. Settled.
Idiot! It's been a long night, okay.
Cool. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. This is what we're going to be driving during the summer whilst that is still being built. Because I don't really know how long that's going to take. Probably a while. There is more on that coming at the end of January. So we're having a full roll cage fitted, which is really exciting. But I will film that when we get there. Richard, do you have anything to add to the video?
It's a bit late, I suppose. But hi, guys.
Oh, yep, there you go. Cool. See you in the next episode.